Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for my junior students. This is the chapter of decimals and this is lecture number 28 of the series of videos for my class 6 students. The video is entitled Comparing and Expressing Quantities in Decimals. A pretty easy topic if you are studying in class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. But if you are preparing right from the scrap for all those quantitative aptitude exams, and you get confused when you handle decimals, then this particular video is for you. So watch the entire video and I'm sure you're going to learn something very useful today. Let me tell you the best options going on the ebooks of short tricks. If you are in class 5, 6, 7, you know your summer vacation is coming up. Upskill yourself by studying this ebook of short tricks. If you are a parent, gift your children this ebook of short tricks so that they can calculate 10 times faster and they will be well prepared when they appear in higher government competitive exams. The reasoning course is also meant for the school students. They need to develop the reasoning ability right from the basic level. CBSE practice worksheets is something we have been working very hard on very recently. You need to send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963 to get a copy of those PDFs, or you can pay a visit to www.sureshagarwal.in. That's my name in the website to download a copy. For this particular concept of comparing decimals and expressing quantities in decimals, I have made a 60 practice question PDF which you can download from the link which is given in the description below. So if you watch only the video, that's going to be half preparation. If you want to get prepared thoroughly for this, then you need to download this particular PDF also. Let's see the concepts in hand now. Write as fractions in lowest form. See, fractions in lowest form. 7.5. The first one says 7.5. So if it is 7.5, you need to know how to convert that into a fraction. We have one decimal place. Therefore, if you remove the decimal, you will have 1 followed by a 0 in the denominator. And what is the highest common factor of 75 and 10? It is 5, right? So if you divide 75 by 5 and divide 10 by 5, you will get the lowest form, and that is 75 by 5 is 15 and 10 by 5 is 2. Or you can write that as a mixed number also, that is 7 and half. So 7.5 is 15 upon 2 or 7 and half. Likewise, look at the second example here, 2.50. So if you want to express that as a fraction in lowest form, how many decimal places this has? This has 2 decimal places. So if you remove the decimal, then you will have a 1 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. And therefore, you can cancel the 1 0 there, and 25 upon 10, they are divisible by 5, right? So you can divide it by 5, divide this by 5 and get the answer as 5 upon 2. And 5 upon 2 is 2 and half in mixed number form. So this is how you need to express quantities in terms of fractions in lowest terms. Very important concept for class 6 students. Then if there are some fractions given, you have already compared them in the previous chapters, but how to compare numbers in decimals, how to find the greatest or the smallest one from a given set of numbers in decimals. Whenever this type of question is there, your observation should be very keen, and you should know that how many decimal places are there before the decimal. Like 1.001 lies between 1 and 2. 10.01, it lies between 10 and 11, and 0.01 lies between 0 and 1. So if you know that concept, the greatest number, finding out the greatest one is not at all difficult. This lies between 0 and 1, this lies between 1 and 2, this lies between 10 and 11, and therefore the number 10.01 is the greatest. So it's only about observing the numbers carefully. Likewise, you see 21.58. This lies between 21 and 22. 2.158. It lies between 2 and 3. 215.8 lies between 215 and 216. And therefore, which one is the greatest? this is the greatest. So 215.8 is the greatest decimal number. Another very important concept. Let's see how to express some quantities, some physical quantities like some lengths or some weights uh, in terms of decimals. So now you should know the conversions. 1 meter, 3 centimeter. Now you should know how to convert that into meters. How many meters make a centimeter, or how many centimeters make a meter, right? So centimeter is a smaller unit, right? And if you know that 1 meter has 100 centimeter, then 1 centimeter is actually 1/100th of a meter. And therefore 1 meter is clear, right? That's already in meters. And you just need to write what? 3 centimeters. And 3 centimeters is 3 divided by 100 meters. And you don't need to divide quantities by 100, right? That's pretty elementary. Put a decimal 2 digits from the right hand side. So 3, 0 and a decimal. You can put a 0 like this. This becomes 1.03 meters. Likewise, you should know that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters, or 1 millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. Now all these conversions are really important. So if you want to express the second question here, 12 centimeters 7 millimeter as a decimal, then 12 centimeter is pretty clear there, right? And you just need to divide 7 by 10 to convert this also into centimeters. So 12 plus 0.7 makes it 12.7 centimeter as the answer for this particular question. So you can see, friends, the concepts are not difficult. It's only about knowing how to convert quantities, interconvert quantities. Likewise, you can have questions based on distance also, where the distances are given in kilometers and meters. It can be meters, distances, kilometer and centimeter also. So many units. And then how about mass or the weight? Kilogram, right? Grams, milligrams. These are the three very important units: kilograms, grams and milligrams. So if you know interconversion of these three units, then I think you can interconvert those and express those quantities in decimals very easily. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are studying in class 6 and who are preparing for competitive exams, so that they can prepare right from the basic level and they are clear about all these concepts. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications. Thanks for watching this video, and all the best for your practice for whatever exams you are preparing for. This is lecture 28, and for downloading the PDF of this particular lecture, you need to click the bell icon and you need to click the link given in the description box below.